Welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how to restore point in Windows 10 or 11. In the previous video I have shown you how to create a restore point. Now we'll see how to backup that. So we already have a restore point which is already created before, and now how you can get to that point or restore this backup. It is very simple. First, on your laptop, press Windows logo plus R to open the run command. See here, this is the run command, and here you need to type something like system properties advanced. See here, system properties advanced. I'll drop it here. Yeah, so press enter. So this will open system properties tab, or else you can open your file manager and click on this PC, and on this PC you can right click and click on properties. So this will open the computer system properties, and here there will be an option called advanced protection or system protection. So you can click on this, and this will also open the same system properties tab. You need to click on system protection. Under system protection there is a option called system restore. So you can give a backup file for this. If you click on this, this will ask you to choose a backup. See here, this is the backup I have taken today only. If you want this backup to be uh, restored, you can select this, or if you want this one you can select this. Whichever you want you can select, and you can click on next. And see here, you can your computer will be restored to the state it was before. In the before event in the description below means to this particular backup it will be restored. If you're okay for this, you can click on finish, and this will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes, and your system will be something like in the restore point how your system used to be. In that case your system will be backed up. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.